You're getting used to your pets cheerfully welcome you at home, but you also know they're not that cheerful at home alone. Wicked Ball. 6 features make it the best gift for your dogs and cats. First, its 100% automatic feature makes it the perfect companion for your pets, even when you're not around. Just leave it with your pets. The magic starts. The 3 reaction modes for interaction enable you to choose from gentle, normal, and active, according to your pet's activity. There will always be a right mode for your pet. Its intelligent companion mode helps your buddy play hard and get enough rest at the same time, so no worries about wearing them off. Wicked Ball is built to fit any situation. Its waterproof outer shell makes sure that your pets would have as much fun in water as on land. Wicked Ball can avoid getting stuck by almost any situation. Just have fun! Premium materials make it perfectly durable and safe for pets to bite and chew on.